now we are just waiting in line to get lockers. And I think, did they say it was $8?
I think so, and they can put it on the ship card, which is cool.
That's pretty nice, yeah. So you don't have to worry about cash or credit card. It'll be billed right to the ship. So they don't allow sunglasses. You have to have water shoes or tennis shoes. You cannot have Crocs or sandals or anything like that. And he said it's about a 45 minute hike up to the mountain for the waterfall. So we're getting ready. They give you the life jackets and the helmet, and then the locker rental. We got the very bottom one because Hillman's 6'3", and that just makes sense.
We are in Amber Cove, or in Dominican Republic now, and we're hiking towards the waterfall area. Pretty cool. We're about to go over like a big pedestrian bridge. It's not that high up that it's scary though, but it's high.
If heights aren't your thing, this bridge ain't it, because it's a graded bridge. So you can see right through it. So don't look down. But the view, the view is everything. Oh my gosh. Kelman and I must look so insane because we have our arms up like this trying to record ourselves. Yeah, it's really pretty.
It's kind of like the Dominican Republic's entry to like a rainforest too. They said we might see monkeys, iguanas, but there's definitely chickens. We are hiking up. It's not too steep, but it's very steady. Pretty big incline. All right, we are catching a breather. Even though it's pretty shady and cool, it's a non-stop hike, and it's very humid. Just be warned. It is beautiful though. After a quick break, we are back to the walk. It's definitely not uphill. It's more of a tranquil kind of walk. It's still kind of uphill, but it's like...
It sounds like you're doing a diary
oh yeah.
or something.
This is our last... My battery's dying. Whoever finds us, go to 111 Northwest Main Street.
That might be me. Babe.
Time. You got it.
Sorry. Okay. So how do I do my hands?
Look up. I was lied to. This water is cold.
I'm not kidding you. My legs are still like they're shaking.
From cold?
No.
From jumping?
From jumping.
I wouldn't have done that.
Oh, you have to swim this.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, I don't like it.
Go ahead. Come this.
I don't like it. Whoa. Whoa. Touch the ground here.
You can't? Oh, you're so. Oh, you can't. Yeah,
I
me
can't.
either. I hope nothing eats our toes. We spotted a rare kelman in the wild. Good job. My toe. Ow, these are river boulders. Yes, there's an 18-foot jump coming up. So, choices.
I'm not jumping. I already know that.
You're not going to jump at all?
No. I'm not jumping.
I don't know, I'm torn. These water slides keep killing my elbows.
I guess you can't. I just tuck
No.
it like this.
My boobs get in the way.
I saw when you went down, you go like this. I don't know why. I think you're worried
Good
about...
camera angles, of
No,
course.
you can twist
Listen,
it.
for the content, I will ruin my elbows. Oh no. I don't know.
I'm doing the slide. He said it's a longer slide too.
Okay, maybe I'll do a slide. Decided not to? No. That's kind of scary. Okay, way better than a jump. Woo.
Jump me? No. No.
Another one. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
I have to say the Dominican Republic has had the best, ow, these rocks, the best excursions so far.